Only those who deal with turf maintenance equipment know how important daily washing is. If washing within the constraints of the Clean Water Act is on your agenda, the Hydro Engineering Instant Wash Rack system is the answer. The main components shown here illustrate the simplicity of the system. The hydro pad and walls contain the water, the recycling equipment purifies the water for reuse, and the hydro blaster provides the muscle for cleaning. The patented HydroPad portable wash rack is safe and easy to enter by either driving or towing equipment up onto the washing surface. Sidewalls keep the water spray contained within the pad system. Remote controls and hose reels are placed at convenient locations around the wash pad for easy access. Washing is performed with hot, high-pressure water supplied by a hydro blaster located with the wastewater recycling equipment. This picture shows an area loaded with grease and oil. The hydro blaster's hot water quickly removes contaminants from golf carts to front-end loaders. Bearings, races, hydraulic rams, knuckles, and most lubricated parts are unaffected by the hydro blaster system when used in low-pressure mode. Re-greasing is seldom required after cleaning. As you can see, the grease and oil have been completely removed and without the use of chemicals. This turf equipment wash rack allows 2 operators at a time to clean their equipment without interfering with one another. HydroPad systems can be set up to wash with multiple hydro blasters, speeding up washing at peak times of the day. The patented HydroPad side gutter catches all of the wastewater containing dirt, oil, and debris as it runs off the pad. Our unique side gutter for turf equipment cleaning has a basket which flips out, dropping leaves and grass clippings for easy pickup. The largest equipment on your property can be washed on the HydroPad portable wash rack. Our pads are rated from 2 tons per axle up to 30 tons and even higher for tracked equipment. Imagine starting with an empty spot in the desert, and a day later you have a complete, self-contained, closed-loop wash rack system. This and all other hydro engineering products meet all EPA wastewater regulations.